Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to display images on Gridview control from SQL Server database. I am using the ASP.NET platform and the coding is on C#. Right now if you notice my URL, it's a local path. First thing, I want to design the Gridview control, and second step is write a code to connect the SQL Server of Godaddy hosting to retrieve images and display images on Gridview control. After creating the designing and coding part, the last third step is I will upload this page, how to create Gridview images.axpx page, into my real hostandservers.com page. If you check, I'm getting the error 404 not found, which means how to create Gridview images.axpx page. It's still not uploaded into my remote server. Let's go to my ASP.NET project. We'll design the Gridview control. Now I'm in my ASP.NET source code. If you notice, there is only two tags are there. One is H1 and the second one is P tag. Now I want to add a Gridview control on this source page. Toolbox, data controls, Gridview. So before designing the Gridview, I would like to show my SQL Server of Godaddy. In the user database, I'm expanding the user databases, my host and servers. In the tables, the host articles, click this, open table. This is a table I want to display on my Gridview control. This table contains 4 columns, but I want to display only blog title and blog images on the Gridview. So the table name is host articles. Let's go back to Gridview designing part. Now in the Gridview, we need to add columns. The columns ASP template field. I need one more ASP template field. Item template. Item template. Now in the first item template, the first column of the grid view of item template, I want to add the image control. Once add the image control, I want to add the image URL property, single quotes, percentage, hash, eval, which takes. Okay, now in the eval tag, we need to add the blog image. Copy this, the column name. Now in the second item template, so I'm using P here, percentage, hash, eval, double quotes, the blog title. Build the project. Now the designing part is done. Now go to the code behind of aspx.cs file. The first thing, we need to import 3 namespaces using system.data, using system.configuration, using system.data.sql client. Now after adding the 3 namespaces, I'm creating a private void function bind grid string main connection is equals to configuration manager dot connection strings dot connection string. SQL connection is SQL con is equals to new SQL connection, which takes the parameter of main connection after that SQL command SQL com is equals to new SQL command, which takes two parameters. This is the SQL connection, and here select values. I want to select only image and title, so this is the image, the blog image here. In the blog title, from the table name, create a SQL adapter, create a SQL data adapter as DA is equals to new SQL data adapter. The object after creating the SQL adapter, SDA dot select command is equals to SQL command data table DT is equals to new data table SDA dot fill DT Gridview 1 dot data source is equals to DT Gridview 1 dot data bind. Now in the SQL adapter, use the curly braces just for ease. After that, we need to provide that this dot bind grid we called here. Now the main important point is the connection strings. Go to web.config, take my connection, F6. Now I'm connecting to my remote site. Connect. I'm uploading these two files into Godaddy. Now go to the browser. We will check on the remote server the Gridview is working properly or not. Now enter it's working very well. Now the images and the title also. That's it. If you like this video, please leave your valuable comment, share this video, and please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my upcoming videos.